Giraffe does not automatically sync game progress across every device or mobile platform. Whether your progress carries over depends on how the game and your account handle save data, not just the Giraffe app itself. By the end, you'll know what can and cannot sync, why progress sometimes disappears, and what to check before changing devices. The first thing to understand is that Giraffe tracks eligible gameplay through your account and the supported games available inside the app. That does not guarantee that every game's saved progress will transfer between devices. If you're moving to a new phone, sign in using the same Giraffe account whenever the app provides an account login option. Using a different account can prevent your existing activity and rewards from appearing. Next, check how the game itself saves progress. Some games store progress using their own account system or cloud save feature, while others keep progress only on the original device. If the game doesn't support cloud saving, switching phones may require starting over, even if Giraffe is working normally. Before replacing your device, make sure your current phone has a stable internet connection, and allow the app to finish syncing recent activity. Closing the app immediately after playing may interrupt the normal synchronization process. You should also install the latest version of Giraffe from your device's official app store. Keeping both the app and your games updated reduces compatibility issues during a device change. Another good habit is avoiding multiple accounts. If you accidentally register a second Giraffe account on your new device, your original rewards and gameplay history won't automatically merge into the new profile. One common mistake is assuming that reinstalling a game restores all previous progress. Reinstalling only installs a fresh copy of the game unless the game's own cloud save system restores your data. Another mistake is switching between different mobile operating systems and expecting every game to transfer seamlessly. Some games support cross-platform progress, while others do not, regardless of Giraffe. If your rewards or account information fail to appear after signing into the correct account, contact Giraffe support through the official help or support section. Include your device information, account details and screenshots showing the missing progress so they can investigate. The biggest takeaway is that Giraffe account data and game save data are not always the same thing. Using the same account, confirming the game's own save system, and allowing time for syncing give you the best chance of keeping your progress. If this guide helped you understand Giraffe cross-platform syncing, like the video and subscribe for more Giraffe tutorials, reward app tips, and troubleshooting guides.